Welcome to One Banner, where booking rides is as easy as few taps on your smartphone. Let's explore how you can order transportation on One Banner app and enjoy a hassle-free journey. Open the One Banner app, click on the menu bar and select Rides, or tap on the car icon on your left. Here you can choose between a basic ride for quick journey or a VIP ride for the extra touch of luxury. Enter your current location and your desired destination. An estimated price will appear on the left side of the screen, but you can easily adjust your offer. After confirming your details, drivers nearest to you will send you offers. Select the best offer and confirm your ride. Need to communicate with your driver? Click on the yellow chat icon to start a conversation or track your driver's location on the map display at the top of your screen. Once your driver arrives, a notification will be sent to you. Hop in and enjoy your ride without any hassle. After your ride ends, don't forget to rate your driver. To schedule rides, simply tap on the clock icon. Enter pickup and destination details. Select date and time. Choose vehicle type and payment method. And confirm the booking for a hassle-free experience. Download One Banner now. Let's turn your commute into an adventure. Ride with confidence with One Banner.